Hello guys, welcome to Technical MZR YouTube channel. Guys, do you want to know how to edit a video by Filmora? So this video is just for you. So guys, this is the new Filmora X, and at first guys you all have to click to new project. Then guys, from here you all can record your screen and can record your webcam also. Then guys, first we have to import a video or image for the import option.
After importing a video, you can preview this video. And then just drag and drop the video to the timeline like me and select your video resolution. Then if you want, from here you can cut this video. From here you can crop this video like I am cropping it now. Then from this option you can control your video speed. You can make it fast and slow also. And here the amazing thing that is, from the advanced color option you can also do the color grading of your video also. And from this option you can track your face, if there is a face on the video. And from the edit option you can edit your video, audio, etc. And from here you can also download audio for your video also. And if you want, you can remove the background noise of your video. From this option you can add title also, and you can customize your title for your own. this option you can add a transition effect to your video to make it more cool. And there is some effect. Elements. And split screen also. And then click export for exporting your video. So, guys, that's all for today. Subscribe my channel for seeing the part 2. So, goodbye.